It's hard to imagine life with no electricity, because electricity secures our basic needs. When the power goes out, lives are put at risk. Just one of the many reasons to secure an endless source. The future of energy is clean, renewable, and resilient, which will free us from big energy dependency, ensure life-saving communications after a devastating hurricane, protect conservation efforts that save endangered wildlife, and shape healthier, stronger futures for communities around the world that need help. And with new technology today, there's even more that we can do now for those who need it most.
The next evolution is, what are the most important end uses for human beings that need electricity? And we believe the number one is water. So how do we do something different, and how do we provide a clean water source for them?
In 2018, the GivePower Foundation built their first ever large-scale solar water farm. Each water farm produces clean drinking water for up to 35,000 people every single day.
When that switch goes on, or that water turns on, it just brings life. You know, it brings hope.
Once we switched on the power, we saw like how people reacted with the power. We saw the smile on their face, you know. It is scalable. It is sustainable. It is the right thing that we need to do right now.
Solar is future.
Solar is education.
Solar is powerful.
Solar is life.